And a surge of testing in the North Sound. The spike in demand health workers are now seeing at Snohomish County's first drive-through test site.
And hi again, everybody. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Steve Rabel. Safe distance away from KIRO 7 and social distancing in work, and have been lucky enough to find during these gloomy times a nice ray of sun coming in the window here at home. Monique?
Enjoy it, Steve. It's good to see you, and it's good to see everybody at home. I'm Monique McLaughlin. Counties around the state are ramping up coronavirus testing. King County is reporting nearly 19,000 people tested so far, about 13% positive. Pierce County tested nearly 5,300 people, nearly 8% positive there. And Snohomish County says it's no longer reporting total test numbers, but we do know it is ramping up testing. Well, tonight we're keeping tabs on two unique efforts to stop the spread of coronavirus in the North Sound. The Angel of the Winds Arena opened its doors today to coronavirus patients.
At the same time, dozens of people are heading to a drive-through testing site in Everett. KIRO 7 North Sound reporter Ryan Sims has an update on how things are going at both locations.
Right off the bat, the biggest impact has been this drive-through test site that you see there in the distance. 2 cars are in line right now, but let me tell you, that doesn't do it justice, because there have been so many tests handled here that at certain amounts of the day they've reached their capacity, which is 200 tests each day. A sense of routine is forming at Snohomish County's first drive-through test site. Each day there are streams of cars, scurrying workers, and a spike of demand.
It's kind of like the Postal Service. We've had rain, sleet, snow, and wind out there, but they keep trucking on.
An average of 32 people are now being tested here each hour. That is up from 25 a week ago. As a result, county leaders say they're already in talks to extend operations at this site. It was supposed to last only through the end of next week, but now it'll likely be here a lot longer.
It really just takes a few minutes to confirm information, actually collect the specimen, give them some parting instructions, and then away they go.
That compares to a truly quiet time at the Angel of the Winds Arena. On day one of being a quarantine center, not a single person arrived here. Going forward, though, that is expected to change.
This is a facility for those who don't need to be in the hospital or a hospital or care facility, but can't stay home, whether because they have a vulnerable person at home, or live alone, or don't have any shelter at all.
Uniformed sheriff's deputies are already stationed outside the arena. Their main goal, to stop random people from going inside the arena and to prevent patients from leaving the arena as well. And really, to underscore how much coronavirus has impacted the North Sound, we'll consider this. The last case count is 1,300 people who have tested positive for COVID-19, again here in Snohomish County. To give you some perspective, that is more than Oregon and Idaho put together. We're in Everett tonight. Ryan Sims, KIRO 7 News.